Okay, now it's your turn to do percentage increase and decrease. Let's say you're trying to set up a company to compete with Coca-Cola here. Um, Currently, you're giving away 330 milliliters, but you're finding it hard to compete with Coca-Cola. So you're going to give your customers 350. Now, what can you on the label of your can? What can you put into here? Something percent extra free of charge. So basically, if previously you were giving 330, now you're giving 350. What is the percentage increase? What can you put in this box here to say, oh, I'm giving, I don't know, 10% free of charge or whatever? What is the percentage increase? So draw your diagram and try and figure out the percentage increase. So you were giving away 330. Now you're giving away 350. What is the percentage increase? So press pause and have a go. Okay, draw your diagram, and it should look something like this. 0 here, 0 here, 1. Your original was 330. Okay. You're now going to give 350. The percentage increase or decrease is always actual amount. In this case, is an actual increase. Okay, divided by original. Okay, so the actual increase is really 20. Okay, so what you do, you move this down here. So what at the 20 level, so this is 20 here. How does this 20 compare to the original? So what is this decimal representation at the 20 level? So this 20 is the actual increase, which equals, equals 20 is the actual increase, and then the original is 330. So jump to a calculator, clear 20 divided by 330 equals 0.06. So this level here is actually 1.0, sorry, 1.0 and 1.06. So there's there's an increase of 6%. So on your label, you can say, okay, buy from us, we're giving you an extra 6% free of charge. Okay, so there's an increase of 6% basically. Okay, all right, next one here. Let's if you have a car, over time, as time goes on, the value of the car decreases. Let's say you know someone who bought a car for £13,000. After a year, it's now worth this much. What is the percentage decrease? So draw the diagram, press pause and have a go. Okay, your diagram should look something like this. 0, 0. Your original was 13,000. 50% is halfway here. So after 1 year, the value of your car, the value of the car is this amount here. And it's always the actual decrease divided by original. Okay, so the actual decrease is this here. Well, you get this, take away this, so the actual decrease is 700. Okay. So this level here, this bit here, 700. What you do, you move it down here. So the 700 is here. And how does the 700 compare to the original? The 700 level here, how does that compare to the original? Well, you get 700 divided by the original. Okay. Well, here, if you look at the diagram, 700 is here, the original is up here. You want to know how 700 compares to the original. So 700 here divided by the original. Okay, so you're trying to work out what this decimal representation of this. So let's see. clear this. What is it? 700 divided by the original 13,000 equals 0.05. So you've lost 5% of the value of your car. Okay, you lost 5%. So which means this level is at 0.95. So the answer is you've actually lost 5%. Okay, so another way of saying it is your car is now worth 95% of its original value. So there are two ways of looking at this. You can say you've lost 5%, or you can say it is now at 95% of the original. Okay, so to answer this question, you've lost 5% of the value of your car. All right. So this one here, let's say you're a scientist here, and in this dish there are 122 bacteria, and then 2 hours later there are 135. What is the percentage increase? So press pause and have a go. So draw your diagram here. It should look something like this. 0, 0, 0. Sorry, 1. 1 here. So the original is 322, and then after 2 hours, it's 135. Remember, it's always the actual increase. We'll move it down here. How does that compare to the original? Again, the actual increase is 8 plus 5 would be 13. So the actual increase is 13. Okay, so this level here is 13. Okay, so yeah, so divided by the original, which is this. So calculator, clear it. 113 divided by 122 equals this. We're going to round off, so that's 0. We're going to round off, so 0.11. So this, if you move it down here, the 13 level, this is 13 here. This is that. Yeah. So the 13 level will be at 0.11. So this thing here is at 1.11 at this level here. But because you're saying you want to know what is a percentage increase, well, there's an increase of 11%. Okay. So here there's an increase of 11%. Yeah. Okay.